It looks peaceful out here, doesn't it? It is peaceful. There is a reason that so many people love to be out here. They snowmobile, snowboard, ski, and trek in places like this. There is nothing quite like it. It's good for your soul. Whatever your reason for heading up the mountains, though, you need to keep yourself safe. We need to be aware that snow is always changing. It is never the same. From one minute to the next, an avalanche can strike, and when it does, you can't exactly go back and make the preparations that you should have made beforehand. This is why AVAGEARUSA Avalanche Airbag is so important. When you wear it, you feel safe. It doesn't take much. You can adjust the straps to fit your body size. You can fit with any backpack. This allows you to access your backpack and leave your Avalanche airbag on. It's lightweight, it's durable, it's reliable, it is field tested, and most importantly, it's effective. Inflating in between 1 and 3 seconds for a spring-loaded inflation valve, which is made of lightweight anodized aluminum, our Avalanche airbag surrounds your head and your neck via a dual airbag construction. This dual airbag construction has a puncture-resistant polyurethane core and a 3-ply waterproof breathable nylon covering. It is equipped with a multi-directional pull cable and high-grade brass fittings. All this is packed in a premium 1000 denier ripstop airjet nylon. With a padded air canister pouch and a Cobra quick-release buckle, our airbag is made for mountaineering. The Mole 1-inch webbing is ideal to clip your accessories on. The forward-facing inflation works to keep your face out of the snow. Simple to maintain and simple to use. Refillable bottle with breathable air, a reusable airbag system which is backed by our lifetime warranty. There's a feeling somewhere beyond all doubt and wrongdoing. I'll meet you there.